Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Anfishinginc's Tips and Tricks, episode 4. So, in episode 4 today, we're going to be talking about the Ned Rig. So, a lot of people know Googan baits. This is just what I'm using as an example. And I got a Senko. I'm going to show you what you can do with a Senko when you don't have your Ned Rigs. So, what you're going to want to do is grab your Ned Rig or a jig head. Anything will work. So, you got your Senko. Say you ran out of your Ned baits. What you're going to want to do is grab any Senko, any color, doesn't matter. Find the desired size you want to make. So, what I like to do is stick it on the side of the jig and figure out how far you want to hang it out. So, I like to go maybe an inch or so over the jig head. So what you do, just break it off. Got your Ned Rig right there. So, what you do, just put it in, jig head, and you just push it up. You got your little Ned Rig set up there. So, if you want to rig a normal Ned Rig, just grab your Ned Rig, find the side you want. Most of the time they look pretty similar on both sides, so it doesn't really matter. So what you're going to want to do is just go in, just enough so it doesn't look like it's bent. You got it right there. That's a normal Ned Rig setup. You can fish in many conditions, creeks, streams, river, lakes. You'll probably have the best luck on one of these fishing small creeks, streams that have smallmouth, or really anything that can fit this in their mouth. You can have luck with them in the summer with bass, or any time of year with bass. But most of the time in the summer, because it's a smaller presentation and the bass don't want anything too big, and they're eating really slow because it's so hot outside. So, thanks for watching Anfishinginc's Tips and Tricks Part 4. Stay tuned for episode 5 of Anfishinginc.